Ahoy, fellow cruisers. Let's dive into the luxurious world of Star-class suites on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. If you're considering an upgrade for your next cruise, Star-class might be the perfect choice for you. With unmatched luxury and comfort, Star-class suites offer an unparalleled level of comfort and luxury. These suites are spacious, elegantly designed, and come with top-notch amenities. Check out the Royal Loft Suite. This two-deck suite features a spacious living area, a private balcony, and stunning views. It's perfect for families or groups looking for the ultimate luxury experience. So, from plush bedding to expansive living areas, every detail is crafted to provide a truly stellar experience at sea. The exclusive perks and services are one of the biggest draws of Star-class. You'll enjoy complimentary VOOM internet, the fastest at sea, ensuring you stay connected throughout your voyage. Plus, priority boarding and disembarkation mean you can skip the lines and start your vacation on your schedule. The personalized service Star-class guests receive is second to none, with access to the Royal Genie, a personal concierge who caters to your every need. Whether it's making dining reservations, arranging shore excursions, or planning special celebrations, the Royal Genie helps to make your cruise wishes come true. Complimentary dining at the exclusive Coastal Kitchen is an awesome perk. Enjoy a variety of gourmet meals without worrying about additional cost. Plus, the deluxe beverage package is included with Star-class, so enjoy that next mojito while devouring that famously tender filet. Star-class guests receive reserved seating at shows and events, ensuring you have the best views of the incredible entertainment on board. You'll also have access to private areas like the Suite Lounge and Suite Sun Deck, providing a serene escape for a true ship-within-a-ship feel. So, choosing a Star-class suite on Utopia of the Seas elevates your cruising experience to a whole new level. With luxurious accommodations, personalized service, and exclusive perks, it's the ultimate way to enjoy your time at sea. If you're looking to make your next cruise unforgettable, Star-class is truly out of this world. And remember to subscribe if you like these cool cruising videos. It's fast, free, and helps a lot.